No woman, no cry.
Hello, what's up, guys? So, guys, it's no longer news that Tems is on Beyonce's album, and also recently she was on Maven's soundtrack for the Black Panther movie. Also, now she has just debuted on the Billboard Hot 100, guys. So, guys, if you're seeing this channel for the very first time, you are welcome to Naija Daily. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'm very, very grateful, guys. So guys, it's a marvelous year for Tems. Like Tems is just so everywhere. First of all, she has been on Drake's album, on Future's album. Now it's no longer news that she's on Beyonce's album. Now she had a soundtrack with Kendrick Lamar on the Black Panther movie, The Wakanda Forever. Right now, she has just been debuted on the Billboard Hot 100 as a lead artist. Like this is a whole lot of achievement for Tems within a year, guys. She has just been so good, and I believe these are hard work. She need a pay on this artwork, which is Grammy, guys. You understand me? So comment your opinion in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Peace.